Hi, this is Shane with Promotoss, and today we're going to talk about our tabletop mini drop to win game. It comes packed with a bunch of styrofoam, so you don't have to worry about any shipping damage. Once you get it out of the box, you want to remove the plastic bag that it ships in and remove the accessories that you need. In the back is a little pouch that has the remote control in it. You also want to plug in the battery pack. It does not come with batteries, and it takes 8 AA batteries to operate, so you'll need to add those. And it also comes with an optional electric outlet that you can plug into any 110 outlet. Also adjusts the support chains in the back to hold the legs in place. It also comes with 6 white poker chips used to play the game. To operate the remote control, take it out of the bag. You want to remove the plastic protection sleeve that covers the battery. During operation, you want to aim the remote at the top right-hand corner of the game. That'll operate the embedded LED lights in the game. It has a total of 15 different choices of color. And you can also change the flash pattern. You can change it to flash quickly like this, or you can have it slowly change colors, or you can have it set to just be one solid color. Imprints on this game, you get laser etching on the plexiglass in the front, and you also get 2 4-color process prints on each side of the game. And the best way to use this game is to assign different prizes to the slots. You can have a different prize per slot, or you can just have one grand prize if you choose. It really generates a lot of interest, and it'll get people to come into your booth at a trade show or to your table at an activation event. And they can also walk away with a prize. It's a great way to generate interest in the product that you're trying to promote.